Abarai korwa Sorogongo rwa Gusii nigo bagendereire kumwakira ekoko yo kabero mwaziri b'oburendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'i asobochole bunene buli bosyo bakoragwa no Senator Okise Richard Onyonka baraya bunigo babulire mu gusigo chamo asekerenga yoko enyorera libaga ase eserekali.
We have decided that as a community and as Kenyans, we are also going to set up our own political party. We are going to produce our own candidate who will negotiate with the president and all the other people who are running for political office in this country. And that candidate is none other Fred Matiang'i. Tusimamishe na yeye atafute urais.
Sisi kama jamii ya Gusii, while we support you as our CS and as our SG na viongozi wengine wote katika serikali, sisi tungependa kuwaambia hata kama tuko shuleni, sisi pia tuko na kijana wetu wa hapa nyumbani ambaye tunampaka mafuta. Tunataka akuje kukutana na President William Ruto unyo kwa unyo 2027, anaitwa Fred Matiang'i.